Today's blueberry spinach salad is the perfect mix of crunchy, tangy, sweet, delicious, and super healthy. Let's make it together. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share a lot of simple recipes like this one and cooking videos to help you gain more confidence in the kitchen. So if that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together a couple times a week. Delicious salads are a great way to get more leafy greens into your diet, and this salad has it all, guys. First, I'm going to make a bed of my spinach in my salad bowl or platter. The stems, some people keep them in, some people remove them. I keep them in unless they're really big. For the most part, they can all just stay in. Some people chop their leafy greens, others leave them whole like this. Let me know in the comments if you chop them or make your salads just like this. The truth is that you can put anything on the spinach salad. Like I have some broccoli florets left over from dinner that I didn't use, so I'm gonna add them to the salad. If your broccoli floret is really big, I take my knife and just slice it right through the middle. This way it fits in a single bite. And then I add them all on top of my salad. I have some fresh blueberries, but if you don't have blueberries, you could do raspberries too. And I wash them and I'm just gonna place them over my salad like this, distribute them all around. For healthy fats, I'm going to add an avocado. With a small knife, I'm going to make linear cuts and then horizontal. So my avocado is diced and that goes right onto my salad. For added tanginess, I'm going to add a little bit of goat cheese on top of this salad. You could also use feta, blue cheese, or gorgonzola. For some crunch, I'm going to add some chopped walnuts. You could use pecans, walnuts, almonds, whatever you have on hand. And last but not least, we're gonna add some dried cranberries. Delicious, sweet and tangy, and they also have antioxidants. This already looks amazing, and all it needs is an classic dressing like this white wine vinaigrette. I'll link below what's in it and how to make it. There's another video for that on my channel, but all you want to do is just take some and drizzle it right over the top, and this salad is ready. So good, guys. Crunchy, full of flavor, and super healthy. If this salad is your jam, check out this next video and see you guys next time.